Ooh, what's good on my stock market homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a penny stock that is getting involved in the plant-based health food sector. We know this sector has absolutely blasted off and gone to the moon with companies like Beyond Meat, Tattooed Chef. However, the company, the penny stock we're going to be breaking down in today's video, is doing something completely different. The stock has been extremely strong, and we're finally seeing momentum come back into small caps and growth stocks. So we're going to touch base on this penny stock, analyze what they do, go over some massive news that the company just released a couple days ago. So you're going to want to stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Everybody go ahead and destroy that like button. The like button is not our friend. You guys know it's my arch nemesis, and we must destroy it. All right, let's jump in to the small cap penny stock. Let's break it down. Health Foods penny stock. The company we're going to be talking about is Rritual Superfoods, ticker RSF. It is an OTC traded penny stock. We know that the health food sector is a huge multi-billion-dollar industry, and this company is bursting onto the scene and is a rising star in this sector. We first talked about this penny stock way back here. It was trading under 50 cents a share. It has since ran up over 100%. They have came out with some absolutely amazing news. Let's break it down. Rritual Superfoods, they are in the business of making and manufacturing these plant-based elixirs or shakes. You could call them a smoothie, but the business model is very smart in my opinion. Why has coffee been so successful? Companies like Starbucks, coffee businesses are extremely profitable. That's because people use it every single day. If you're a coffee drinker, you're not just drinking coffee once a week, you're drinking it every morning when you wake up. And I think Rritual Superfoods is onto something here, and it's in the name. Rritual. They're trying to get their customers in the habit of using their products every morning when they wake up. And not only once a day, but if we scroll down and look at the different offerings that the company has to offer, you have the morning, you have the midday, and then you have the nighttime relax smoothie. So they are trying to form a customer base that is using their products not once a day like coffee, but 3 times a day. And I think that is a really smart tactic. I do need to disclose that this is a sponsored video. I am being compensated for this video. However, I have not been told what to say, and I never do a video that I'm not interested in the company. I've talked to the CEO of this company on the phone a couple times. They sent me samples, and I'm a dude who never eats vegetables. Literally, I will not touch a vegetable, but I tried their product, that it tasted good, and I am still drinking it every day to this day, and they sent it to me about a month ago. The product is good, and the biggest hurdle for this company, in my opinion, is going to be getting their product into big box stores, and that segues us into the big news that the company just dropped. So I just said I think the biggest hurdle for Rritual Superfoods is to get their products in big box stores. That's going to be the biggest hurdle for companies like this, right? You have a product, even if it's the greatest product in the world, if you can't get it in front of customers, it doesn't matter. But Rritual Superfoods is on the right track. They just got a huge deal with Rite Aid. Rite Aid is going to begin carrying the Rritual product line in all of their stores nationwide. This is a huge deal. You're talking the Rite Aid rollout will be phased toward reaching 1,000 retail stores in addition to Rite Aid's e-commerce platform. We're talking about a monster news here. A company of this size, you're talking about a tiny penny stock, they strike up a deal with Rite Aid. This is a huge deal. Let's talk about Crossmark. Crossmark is a company that has ends with all these big box stores, all these big retailers. If you want to get your product into these big retailers, you got to get a deal with Crossmark. Basically, they are the toll. You got to make a deal with the toll to get through and cross the bridge. Well, here's some crazy news. Rritual Superfoods CEO used to work for Crossmark. He left Crossmark. He then went on to form Rritual Superfoods. Well, guess what? Rritual Superfoods announces a Crossmark partnership to optimize retail growth. Crossmark works with the biggest box stores in the business, and Rritual Superfoods is very optimistic that this deal with Crossmark will not end with Rite Aid, but will add multiple big box retail stores that will add Rritual's product to their lines. So let's say, for example, this is hypothetical, completely hypothetical here. This has not happened. Let's say that Crossmark gets Rritual's products into a store like Target or Kroger. Then it's absolutely game over, and this stock goes way higher. It starts flying higher. So this deal with Crossmark should not go understated. In my opinion, this is a bigger deal than the Rite Aid partnership, because Crossmark can get you into several big stores, and Crossmark doesn't just work with anybody. They are selective with who they work with and who they try to do deals with. So this is absolutely massive news. David Kerbel, the Rritual CEO, I've spoken with him on the phone several times. He had an in with Crossmark, and this is going to lay a foundation for Rritual Superfoods to get in these stores and grow. Who are Crossmark's retail clients? How about Rite Aid? Sound familiar? But look, we can cross Rite Aid off the list because we already know that Rritual Superfoods has a deal with Rite Aid to add their products to over 1,000 stores. But look who else? Walmart. Are you kidding me? Walmart, if a penny stock like Rritual, a small micro cap stock, gets a deal with a company like Walmart, game over, the stock goes to the moon. How about CVS? Another huge company, Sam's Club. So this deal with Crossmark is huge. I cannot overstate it enough.